This video, we're going to look at assessing a TK20 field binder for a PD3 student. We are logged in as our mock student Jack, so hi Jack up there at the top. To get into the binder, we will go to Field Experience, and then our Field Experience binder will show up for us. So we're going to save that information. Pop in. When we're looking at the Field Experience binder, we will have tabs going across the top. Student Teaching. This is the tab where we'll be able to upload our student teacher acknowledgement form. We will complete our professional attributes for student teacher. And this is the place where we can upload any additional information that we want to. Let's go ahead and look at the attributes for student teacher form. To access any of the forms inside TK20 binder, we click select. The form is going to show up for us, and to complete this form, we will go ahead and complete who our student teacher is. That is us, cooperating teacher, our field supervisor, the semester we're having, and we'll go through and complete this form. At the end, add, save, update, anything that's green right here, this is going to be how we save the form. So I'm going to go through and click a few of these to see how we're doing. I'll make sure I click my signature and add the date. Today's the 31st, I'll add the 1st, so click add. And now we see that that form, instead of having the select button, there's a blue hyperlink. This will allow us to get back into the form and make updates, because I did not complete all of the items. Also, I do need to update the date that I completed it. And again, add, turn them to update, and forms here. For any of the upload areas, for example, this additional upload section, this is similar to the portfolios you've been using, and you can upload multiple documents or anything else that you want. So we'll put in the description of the document that we have, and then we can select multiple files to upload. So I'm going to hit select file. Let's see what files that we have accessible right now. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to select some logos in a document about changing roles, and I can easily put as many documents as I want to in one area. Please work with your CT and your supervisor to see if they would like you to upload any documents into this area. In addition, if you receive notes from your school, notes from students, notes from parents about your work, and you want to put them here, you can scan and do that as well. As you see, I'm clicking this X button to remove these. And then again, I'm going to click add at the bottom. So that's one way to put information in. Well, if I put information in and I do not want to, I can always click this minus button and I can delete the form. Anytime you do that, any information inside that form is gone. So let's go ahead and put it back to our test student where they were. Okay. Teacher reflections. This is where you will upload your lesson plans that are in correspondence with your observation, and also the reflections for those lesson plans. And as we see, we have two areas, so you can upload the lesson plan template, and you can also upload the reflection here. Finally, confirmations. Anytime you see confirmation, this is the same as signatures. So if I have already been part of the T-Test rubric for PD3, and we've already been through the first one, well, as soon as I complete this activity with my CT and my supervisor, I come in here, check the box saying, yes, I completed it, click add, and now you can see that I have signed those documents. By the end of the semester, you will have completed all of these conferences with your cooperating teacher and your field supervisor. The last tab I want to show you is the assessment tab. This assessment tab is a place where you'll be able to see any form that your cooperating teacher completes or any form that your site supervisor completes as well. So if you want to see any information about you that they complete, you have all that information there as well. When you're finished working with the binder, always save, save, save. It is your best friend. So we're going to save this to make sure that we have everything saved inside. If you submit the binder, that means that you are turning it in and you no longer want to add any information to the binder. Finally, when you are finished working with the binder, you can always close back out, and it will take you back to your field experience that you have. If you have any questions, please reach out to the TK20 specialist within the College of Public Service.